Hi, my name is Becky. Welcome to Learning Chinese, 学中文. Today we're going to learn the days of the week. So if you lose track of the day, you want to be able to ask. So what day is it? 今天星期几了? 今天 is today. 星期几了? What day? Today is what day, or what day is it? 今天星期几了? And then you reply and say, today is, and then you fill in a blank for Monday through Sunday, or Sunday through Saturday. 今天 Monday, or whichever one you choose. 知音今期安天今天 And week. 1 week is 星期, 7 days, 52 weeks in a year. 星期 is week. Now, Monday. You're going to notice a pattern really soon. Monday is 星期一. In Chinese, you would be saying the first day of the week. That's why 一 for 1 is in Monday. 星期一. Now remember this slide where you say the day? So you could say today is Monday. And to put it together, you would say 今天星期一 to reply to a question. Tuesday, if you could guess, is 星期二, the second day of the week. 是阴星期一期二, 星期二 for Tuesday. And Wednesday, 星期三, 星期三, third day of the week, and it's a Wednesday. And these are all words that you've seen numerous times now. 星期 we went over is week, and 三 is 3, third day of the week. 星期三. And Thursday, 星期四. 星期四 for Thursday. 星期五 Friday. 星期五 fifth day of the week is a Friday. And Saturday, the 6th day of the week, you have the number 6, and you say 星期六. 星期六 is a Saturday. And this is where your pattern no longer works for Sunday. You don't say 星期七 as you would assume, since chi is 7. You can probably understand why. 星期七 just sounds odd, and you don't want to put two characters that sound the same right next to each other. So instead, we say 星期天 for Sunday. 平安天, 今天, sorry. Sunday is 星期天. There are actually 2 ways to say Sunday. The second way is 星期日. 日日. 星期日 is also Sunday. And the 2 days that most people look forward to the entire week are the weekends. Weekends are 周末. 周末. Now, 周 is actually another way to say week, but it's less commonly used, and normally we say 星期. But 周, you could use it to say week. And it works in this context because 末 is end. So end of the week or weekend gives you 周末. 知欧周末末周末. And all the days are listed here. You got to ask a question. 今天星期几了? What is the day? 今天星期几了? And then to reply to that, you would say 今天, if you want to say Monday, 今天星期一. And 星期 is week. And Monday through Saturday, all you do is add the number onto the end of week. 星期一, 星期二, 星期三, 星期四, 星期五, 星期六. And then for Sunday, we have 星期天. And if you remember, there is a second way to say it, which is 星期日. And weekends, which everyone loves, are 周末, end of the week. 周末 for weekends. Thank you.